You guys, I've had a couple of questions, mostly because you guys have seen your zeros in PowerSchool, but that's good because that means you're paying attention. So a lot of you guys are having trouble getting into No Red Ink. Okay, so if you look right up here, I've typed in noredink.com into the search bar and it brought me to the website. Now over here, you guys are already signed up. Don't click on sign up. You're gonna click on log in, okay? Log in. Now this is where you're going to put that username. I had you guys write this in your planners that Monday that we left school, but if you didn't, there is a link in Google Classroom under Classroom Resources that has all of your No Red Ink usernames and passwords. Okay, I am going to use Race's just because his was right here in front of me. We were making sure that it worked. So right here where it says username, I'm going to plug in Race's username, and your password is a very sneaky one, 123456 unless you've changed it. I hope you haven't changed it. And then you're going to hit log in, not sign up, log in, and it takes you to your landing page. Now you guys, if you'll zoom in for me right here, this is the one. These are the assignments that you're possibly missing. It was a teeny tiny one, 10 questions. Literally, it should take you guys about 10 minutes. All you're going to do is you're either going to click on the link or you're going to click on the play button and finish that assignment. When you're done, it will kick it back to me and I can grade it and put it into PowerSchool. Thanks, guys.